So I think my beehive might be finna throw off a swarm here, because they sure are loading out of here. If I see it, I might, hopefully they land on a branch around here where I can contain them and throw them in another box. If not, I'll just let them go off into the wild. I haven't checked this beehive in like 2 years now, I think it is, so it's probably pretty full of bees and honey. Wow, it's amazing. Let's get in here close on them. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're probably going to swarm, but hopefully they're just on a nectar run or something. It's in the fall, so there ain't much out. Wow, they're way up there in the sky. Yeah, I think they're about to swarm, which is okay. Hope they don't get up high. I'd hate to lose the extra hive I might be able to get.